How to use Dzine AI. First of all, open any web browser that you use for searching and type Dzine AI in the search bar to find the website. Once you see the search results, click on the first website link to go to the official website. On the home page, you need to create an account or log in to access the website dashboard. Here you can explore Dzine AI's popular tools and features in different categories. To start a project, you can either upload an image or simply click on New Project to begin from scratch. If you scroll down a bit, you will find some popular tools, but if you click on View All Tools, a new page will open. Here you will see both free and premium tools that you can explore one by one. For this demonstration, we are going to use a free tool called Consistent Characters. Tap on it to open. Now you can either upload an image from your device or choose a character from the left side. Select any preset to start the process. I will select the lip boy character for this demonstration. Next, enter a prompt to describe the scene in detail for better result. After that, select an aspect ratio based on your device and use. I will choose desktop. Once everything is set, click on Generate button and wait for the result. Once the image is generated, open it to preview. You can also generate variants of the image, and once you are satisfied, click on the download button. And that's it. This is how you can use Dzine AI. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.